Hi, I'm Howard Lerner, Superintendent, Bergen County Special Services, and I'm here to present to you a very unique and special program called Project Search.
Project Search is a transition to work program serving students with intellectual and developmental disabilities in their last year of high school eligibility. It is a full-time program within Holy Name Medical Center in Teaneck, and enrolled students are immersed in a unique business-led one-year employment program that takes place entirely at the workplace and facilitates a seamless combination of classroom instruction, career exploration, and hands-on training through worksite rotations. In partnership with the Bergen County Workforce Development Board, the ARC of Bergen and Passaic Counties, and Holy Name Medical Center, Bergen County Special Services offers full-day services for up to 10 students per year. The goal of the program is to prepare students to obtain and maintain employment, establish linkages to adult support coordinators, and utilize public transportation, as students perform a variety of jobs in many areas of the hospital, including administrative offices, shipping and receiving, the gift shop, the cafeteria, and active patient floors. For more information about the Bergen County Project Search program, please visit projectsearch.bergenworkforce.org.